Make sure we're behind the ball here, fellas. Behind the ball, Mackay. I'll stay here, mate. You go. Either side. Behind!
Win it! Win it! Come here! One here!
18, stand!
One here!
Hold! Go, 1. Seven off the ball! Hold, hold, go, 2.
Come here! Come here!
Stand together! Keep coming, you're fine. Go, 3. Headgear, stand!
Yeah, Rambo, ready?
Hold! Go, 4. We're in a touch, boys. We've got a scrum in here.
Fuck yeah, Tommy!
What's your count on help?
Pardon?
We're holding him down. Help.
Yeah.
You tell us when to get out?
Yeah.
You alright, Brocky? Yeah. Just go hit the line.
Hooker's on that white line there.
Fucking beat it from the start here, eh? Go here.
All right, front row's standing up. Front rows, don't bind down yet. Second row's locks in tight. Let's go, head in now. Okay, bind in. Wynnum, hold. In now, 7. Out.
Let's go, Power Black. Power Black.
2 off the ball. Hold middle. Go, 1. Release now. Hold. Go, 2. "12, stand. Hold, left side, hold. Go, 3. Release now. Hold. Go, 4. 5 last, stand up to the line. Hold, go.
Right side needs 10.
Right side, need 10.
Check that.
Good. It's fine.
Lock down!
Release 9. Keep coming, Mackay. Hold. Go, 1. Stand now. Over the top. No need for the facial. We're not having that.
Nice work, Brenny. Nice work, Brenny. Eh? Good shit.
Yep. There's your mark. Have we got touch, mate? Yep. Touched. Ball was touched. Wait, we've got a scrum in here. Ball was touched before it went out. Scrum in here, Wynnum feed. We're not having that.
Make sure we get two on this one. Huh?
Same thing. Front row's your last to go down. In now, Mackay. 9. Head in, let's go. Oh. Let's go, boys. Mackay, hold. In 6. Don't strike till it's in. Out.
Go.
6, stand. Keep coming, hold. Go, 1. Stand now. Hold line. Hold. Go, 2. Fire tackle, boys. 6. You're around the neck. Yes. You're off fire. Mackay, to the line. Wait, 9. There's your mark. With the foot, go.
Go.
Stand now, headgear. Hold line, hold. Go. Ball short, release him. Hold Mackay. Hold.
He's gotta come.
It's 2. Held, don't throw. Release. Go, 3. Held. Release now. Go, 4. Five last, hands up! He's fine. Held up, in goal. 9 easy. Just drop the ball for me. Bring it out 10. Change over there. Mackay. Wait. Hold the line, Wynnum. When you're ready. Stand now. Hold. 10. Go. 1. Held it. Release, Wynnum. Right side, keep coming. Good. 2. Release now! Keep coming, keep coming. Go, 3. 10 off the ball! Hold middle. Go, 4. Strong. 5 last, hands up. 9, gotta hold. Go. All good. 8, give 10.
My side's good, mate. My side's good.
Chase is good. Yeah. Release now! Fine, I'll wear that. Ran into me. Keep going. 3 off the arm. Hold middle. Go. 2. Keep going, still on 2. Stand now! Hold middle. Go, 3.
6 right side needs 1 step, mate.
Go. Stand now, Mackay! Hold! 18, go now. 4. 5 last, hands away! Middle, keep coming.
Chase in front.
Chase is good. In front of the 10, mate. In goal, affected, penalty out here.
Work to goal. Work to goal for a tiger. He's coming.
What are we doing? Tap. Middle. When you're ready. Go. Headgear, stand! Hold! Go, 1. Strong. Release now! Hold, Wynnum! Go, 2. 9 off the legs! Keep coming middle. Hold, go, 3. Good, it's fine. Still on 3, still good. Easy, boys, it's fine. Get a scrum in here. Just in here, mate.
Did you have to fly up or?
Pardon?
Did you have to fly up?
Yeah, mate.
Go hard here, 2 sets.
Where's Payton? Yeah, boy, keep going hard. Love that.
All right, same thing. Front rows, use the last. Second rows, locks in now, please. Head in. Wynnum 9, head in. Let's go, boys, in. Bind down. Hold, Mackay. Out. Off the ball. Hold 13. Go, 1. Keep going, still on 1. Release now! Hold! Go, 2. That's fine, that's fine. Still going on 2. Release now! Hold, go, 3. Trainer hasn't got his hand up yet. Now I got him. Held there! We got time, boys. Got to play down in back play. Just put the ball down for me there, please, mate. That was tackle 3, mate. That was 3 gone. This next one's 4.
coming off. I'm going to get you checked out, alright? Not risking it, pal. We're going to HIA.
Yeah, that's fine, mate. Yeah.
Alright?
If it's neck head, don't rush it. Time's out.
Just sit. Just sit.
Sit there, pal. Oh, good.
Cheers. Thanks, man.
Righto.
Thanks, eh? Appreciate it.
Thanks, mate.
Yeah, all good. Yeah, cool. That was 3, so that's 4, yep. We've got plenty of time, boys. Just wait. 4, yep. On the line, Mackay. We got time. Wait for the go, not the whistle. Don't shoot on the whistle, guys. Wait for the go.
Wait for the go, not the whistle.
Is he good there?
mate.
All right, replacement's on. All right, let's go. Hold. Go. It's 4. Release now. 5 last. Go. That's fine. That's fine. Dead. We got 20. Just wait. Just wait. We're fine. 0 tackle. Release now. 3. Hold. Go. 0. Stand together. Hold. Go. 1. Hold ball. Off ball, headgear. Hold. Go. 2. Release legs. Keep coming. Keep coming. Go. 3.
All good, mate, all good.
Chase is good. Clear. Roll away now. Hold. Go. 1. Stand together. Off the line. Got to stand up. There's your mark, Shannon. I'll keep an eye on it. There's your mark. Play on! Watch contact. That's fine. Release headgear. Middle 8, keep coming. Go, that's 1. That's fine. 16, you flopped that in. Tackle was complete, there's no need for you on there.
Goal return. Goal return. Now your job. Execute the play.
Here.
Chat's good, mate, chat's good.
Hold, hold for the go, middle, 9, need a step. Hold, go. Headgear, stand. Right side, keep working. Go, 2, 1. That's 1. Easy. Easy. Shannon. Just go away, boys. No. Go away. Shannon, come here. Put him in a dangerous position. Okay, it's going on report. Okay, there's no need to follow up with anything.
I didn't follow up with him. He followed up on me.
I'm just saying, there's no need to follow up with anything. I've got control of it. Okay, we're moving on from that. Trainer, thank you. You're ready to give water, not give directions to me. Got a penalty. We got a penalty. It's going on report. Okay, and that's the end of the story. We're moving on.
Shady, what time? Stay on.
Yep.
Wait, Goal return. Goal return. Straight out. In front of the line.
Here we are. Wait for the go. Hold. Hold. Go. Release now. Middle. Keep coming. Hold. Go. It's 1. 13. You've got to be quicker. Release now. Middle. Keep coming. Hold. Go. 2. Go, 3. 13, stand! Hold! Go, 4. 5 last, hands up! Hold! It's fine. Still on 5 here. All good, boys?
All good, all good.
BJ, I understand your concern on that last one, but if you come rushing at me, your players fire up behind him, okay?
No,
If I want to talk to you, if I want to talk to you, I'll come to you.
Yeah.
If you have a question, you can ask me a question, okay? Don't come yelling at me for something that you think's happened,
No,
okay?
I didn't mean to yell. That was my
Let's just move on from that, but
Yeah,
let's
just
just
because
understand, you come yelling at me,
He's elevating their players.
that's fine.
Tens are solid and talk is solid. Keep it up, mate.
All right, good stuff, boys. Looks good. Behind the ball! No earlies! Stay back. Stand now! Middle, keep working. Hold, 13. Go, 1. Strong. Release now! Hold square markers. Go, 2. Off the ball! Hold line. Hold. Go, 3. 13, stand! 9, keep coming. 9, you're short. Good now. 4. 5 last, hands up! Keep coming, 9. Good. Outside.
Right side, good. Right side.
Right side chases are good. We're outside the 40. That's good. Release 3. Hold 9. Go 1. 9 off the ball. Hold. Stand up. Go 2. 8 stand. Keep coming. 9 you're short. Good now. It's 3. Stand now. Hold. Go 4. 5 last. Headgear up. Hold. Go. That's fine.
Chase good.
It's fine. Knock on. Play on. Release 3. Hold. 0 tackle. 16, stand. Keep coming. Keep coming. Good. It's 1. Stand now. Hold. Go 2. Headgear all out. Keep coming, Wynnum. 9, you're short. Good now. 3. 16, stand. Hold middle. Go. 4.
Right side good.
Chase
Right
is
side
good. It's fine. Release 3. On the line, Mackay, hold. 18, you're early. Good now. It's 1. Stand 18. Hold. Go. Roll out now. Hold. Go. It's 3. Hands up, 9. Hold 18, you're short. Headgear, you're short. Touch, ball's touched. 0 tackle. 18, stand. Go, 0.
That way, go right, go right.
13, move. Go. 6, keep coming. Hands up, 18. Hold. Go, 2. Headgear, stand. Hold line. Go, 3. It's fine.
Forward, mate, forward.
Pass it forward. Good a scrum out here. Scrum here. Let's go, trainer, not in a scrum, thank you. Can't be out here at scrums. Pardon?
Just a bit loud with the tackle.
I'll be as loud as I can, mate.
Yeah, no.
Let's go, boys. Down and in now. Second row's locks, heads in. Mackay, head in. Hold, Wynnum. In, out. 2, hands up. Left side, keep coming. Good. 1. 11 off the ball. Middle, hold. Go, 2. 9 off the ball. Square up. Go, 3. Strong. Hands up. Keep coming. Good, it's 4. They're fine. 5 last. Release. Hold. Go. Middle, you need 10.
Good. Middle needs 10.
Good now. 14, release legs. Keep coming. Go. 1. Hands away. Hold. You lost that, Shannon. No. That ruck speed's fine. Shannon, that ruck speed's fine, mate.
So what was that called?
Lost control.
Lost control of the ball.
All right, let's go. Second row's locks in. Let's go. In now. Hold, Wynnum. In. Out.
What are we marking here?
That's fine. 2 in there. Release 2. Hold. No.
That's how we do, boy. That's how we do. Good boy. Go.
Good boys, good boys.
Wait up. Front row's your last to come down. We got enough here, boys. We need 1 more. Just wait up for me. All right, Mackay, in and hold. 9, head in tight. Front row, don't strike till it's in. Out. Off the ball, 8. Mackay, keep coming. Hold. Go. 1. Release now. 8, you worked him back over. You roll him back over.
X here, Rocky. Redlands.
What are we doing? Kicking or tap? In the middle? All right, when you're ready. When you're ready. Release now! Marcus square. Go. That's one. That's fine.
Come here!
8 off the ball! In the middle. Keep coming. Go. 2. It's fine.
Man on.
17, stand! Hold line! Go, 3. That's fine. Short, release him! Hold line! Hold! Go, 4. Hold up, I got no grounding there. Shannon, straight out for me, please. Last tackle coming up.
Just working your A and B, mate.
Mackay, hold the line! Hold, go. 5 and last! Knock on. Touch Mackay. And knock on. Out over here, yep.
Side.
Just there. Yep.
Oh no, how? Oh no, how?
Yep.
What have we got? One more.
We need one more here, boys. Let's go, Wynnum. Just wait up for me. Front row. Don't strike till it's in. Don't strike till the ball's in. Has to be back. Can't be in front of his. Hold! Out! Release 8! Hold line! 8, not a marker. Let him try.
Slow down. Wait, heads up.
Hey, yeah.
I just thought, like, when they hold into the leg, why are you trying to play the ball to an automatic penalty?
No, well, it's determined on the ruck speed, and I thought that was fine.
Okay.
I thought you had no control of the ball.
Yeah, cool, sweet.
But I will keep an eye on the leg pulling, but in that case, I thought it was fine. Just out a little bit, yep.
Your 10s are good, mate. Cutters, A, B, C defenders. It's not excessively bad, but they are getting a little bit of a jump on the gun on you.
All right, no worries. Thanks, man, yeah. Good.
And as the extras for the Seagulls are all locked up. Man in the first half is 6 all.
What's the actual rule there? We're waiting for a kick.
Just got to stay behind the line, yeah. Behind the ball, Mackay. No earlies. Good. Watch contact. Stand together.
Get up here.
Hold, 16. Go, 1. Move now. Go, 2. They're fine. Headgear roll out. Hold. Go, 3.
17 needs one, mate.
Yep. 17, stand! Hold! Go, 4. 9, you're off! In front! Shot early, mate, and you got involved. You're involved. BJ, he's in front and he's involved.
Everyone be quiet here.
What are we doing?
Tapping.
Tapping? Which way? Middle? Shannon, which way so I can get out of your way? That way? In the middle. Let's go. Let's go. Off the ball! Hold middle! Go, 1. Fine. There's contact there. He's on the ball. 16 off the ball! Don't hold him in. Stand up. Go, 2. It's fine. Head get stand! Hold! Go, 3. That's fine. Lost control. Got a knock on. We're going to come out for a scrum. There's no advantage that close to the line. Coming out here.
Get up there, cause another error. They don't like it. They're stuff, we just keep banging. Let's go, boys, let's go. I'm coming, Jay.
We got enough here. Let's go down, Wynnum. Head in, Mackay. Head gear in, please. Hold Wynnum, no striking till it's in. Get in, BJ. Out!
Wait, 9B, 9B!
Here, I'll go running.
Please!
11 stand! Wynnum hold! Go, 1. Four. You're up high and you stayed up high, mate. Behind the ball, 4. There's your mark, BJ. Let's go. Here we are, Wynnum. Hold! Hold! Go. Release now! Hold middle! Go. 11 not square. It's 1. Shut it off the legs! Go. 2. They're fine. Release 14! Keep coming, 16. Go, 2, 3. That's 3. Third, roll out! You're on the ground. Take it back. That's tackle 3 gone. Hold here. Hold. Go, that's 3. Hold! Release now! Hold middle. Go, 4. Contact's fine.
Right side good.
Chase is good. That's fine. Release now! Hold. Go, 1. Nine off the ball! Keep coming. Go, 2. That's fine. Release! No markers! No. 9, you didn't square up. Back here, Sean.
Watch 16 swing arm.
I'll keep an eye on it. Behind the ball.
We'll go
Behind the ball.
Get behind. Let's go Redlands for 2, yeah? Go strong, yeah?
Keep working. Hold for the tap. Go. 8, stand. Middle hold. Go. It's 1. It's fine. Release now. 17 on the line. Go. 2. It's fine. Still going on 2. Stand together. Hold. Go. 3. Intercept. Play on. Surrender tackle. Hold. 16 early. That's fine. Still got it. Release now. Hold. Go. 2. Hold. 4. Stand up.
Stand up.
Too slow, 4. Too slow.
Oi, let's run a goal return.
Yeah.
Yeah, pass is off.
Come on, I'm talking to you and you're not responding. You gotta respond as soon as I say something. Hold! Go. "16, release legs! Keep working, Wynnum! Hold! Go, 16 is short. Good now.